Open a Canva project page and change your background color to a gradient black. Go to Element and search for frames. That will bring out options of frame shapes. Choose this triangle and let's resize this to give us the particular shape we want. Rotate to a 360-degree and move it upwards. Increase the size of your frame a little bit, then duplicate, rotate, and move it closer to the other frame. Duplicate again, rotate, then move it closer to the other frame too. Perfect. Now go to upload and bring in your first image. Add it to the frame, double click, and let's rotate. Then adjust our image to show the particular part of the image we want visible. Click on done. Bring in your second image and repeat the process. So you put it into the frame, you double click, you rotate, adjust, then done. Bring in your last image and repeat the same process. Double click, rotate, adjust, then click on done. Now let's add some stroke style in between these frames. Go to stroke style, choose line, change the color to white, and repeat the same process for the other frames. This is basically to close up the line in between the frames. Let's increase our frames just a little bit and move it closer to close up the space in between. Go back to uploads and bring in your camera. Remove the background. And I'm trying to just give a little soft edit for this camera just to make it a little smoother. You don't have to do that. So let's adjust our camera to give the illusion that the images are coming out from the lens of the camera. So this poster can be used by a makeup brand or a camera house, a studio house brand. So once you're done adjusting, go to text, add a heading, and let's add a text. Let's add something like creative production. Change your font to Anton and go to advanced settings to reduce the space between the text. Then move it closer to the camera, just a little lower. That's perfect. And go to element and search for aesthetic lines. Choose this one, change the color to white, and move it under the text. Go back to element and search for arrow. Place it in a way that it's pointing, the arrow is pointing to the image. Go back to element and search for abstract shapes. Flip it and change the color to white. Go to element, choose the shape and position it to be in between the white shape. Go back to text and add small text box. So let's type in something like beauty, makeup and style. Now increase the spacing between the letters and let's reduce the size. Change the color to white and place it beside the image. Trying to increase the spacing a little more. Now duplicate and place the other one beside the other end. And just closely beside that, a little more. Perfect. Now go back to text and add your small text, and this is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share.